You might have heard of me talking about kitcharis before, so today I'm going to make this video explain to you why I do it, its benefits, and how to make it. So I have done many cleanses in my life, and kitchari is for sure by far my favorite because unlike doing a juice cleanse, I actually get to eat real food, I get to chew, and I also have done raw food cleanse before. Although I get to eat food, my body usually feels cold and sometimes gassy. So what exactly is kitchari? So kitchari is this meal that is made with white basmati rice, split mung beans, and yummy spices. So kitchari is considered a very balanced meal because it contains protein, carbohydrate, and it is really easy on our digestive system. It's good for all body type, and according to Ayurveda, it is a cleansing food. So the best part about kitchari is I am allowed to add different vegetables according to the season, so it really helps bring variety into this cleansing food. When I'm eating kitchari, I feel satisfied. After just a few days of this mono food diet, my body feels light and I'm not feeling hungry at all. Typically, I like to do this kitchari cleanse during season change, and I will have it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for 7 days. And usually after 7 days, my body feels lighter, and according to Ayurveda, kitchari helps remove toxins from our body, it boosts our energy, and brings clarity in our mind. So I'm sure you're eager to give kitchari a try. I'm gonna go over the 2 main ingredients and share the recipe with you.
The 2 main ingredients are white basmati rice and split mung beans. Basmati rice is a long grain rice. It is healthier than a regular short grain white rice. Short grain rice is higher on the glycemic index. Some people have a harder time digesting short grain rice, but basmati is much easier on our digestive system. Brown basmati rice has a little bit more health benefit, but it is hard to digest. Remember, kitchari is supposed to be a gentle cleansing food, so it is better to use white basmati rice in this recipe. Split mung bean, also known as mung dal in Indian markets. The split mung bean is yellow in color because it has been husked. It has the sweet and mild flavor similar to split pea, but it is much easier on our digestive system. So this little mung bean is packed with antioxidant, helps lower cholesterol, reduce heart disease. Rich in potassium, magnesium, and fiber, according to Ayurveda, it releases toxins in our body. If you can't find split mung beans in the store, you can order them online or use the green whole mung bean.
There are many kitchari recipes online, and I have tried many, but my favorite is from Chef Meredith Klein. I have adopted her recipe, and here is how you make it. Alexa, set timer for 20 minutes.
is how you make Kitchari. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. I will also be posting other recipes using mung bean as ingredients. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.